In our first video of this series, we answered the question, what is ISO 17025? In the next video, we answered the question, why do we need standards at all? Why is ISO 17025 and policy, procedures, and instructions actually matter? Then we answered the specific question of why is ISO 17025 important to us in forensic science? Just a little while ago, we asked and answered the question, why should the criminal defense community care about ISO 17025? Today we have a different task. We examine how ISO 17025 provides a simple method to develop themes for cross-examination of experts throughout forensic science. How do you cross-examine an expert? Boy, I get asked that question a lot. So much so that I've been invited to speak on this topic before the Texas Criminal Defense Lawyers Association at their seminar entitled Masters of Cross-Examination. As we will discover later in our series of videos, the specific provisions and requirements of ISO 17025 naturally gives us defense attorneys not only great cross-examination themes, but most importantly, a proverbial treasure trove map of the laboratory itself that will allow us to find the necessary information to populate these themes with potentially crippling information from the laboratory's own documents and its own reports. ISO 17025 lately has been presented to criminal defense attorneys in the field in terms of metrology and metrology alone. However, extends way past metrology and indeed goes into the heart of laboratory science and the scientific method itself. If properly understood, ISO 17025 provides for substantive cross and themes that any defense attorney, no matter how familiar you are with science, can use to expose critical potential issues. These themes include such things as the limitations of the person performing the test. For example, the qualifications, the experience, and the formal knowledge of the analyst. Also, the credentials and the authority of those on the bench and those who supervise the bench, meaning those who do the tests. The limitations of the assays. The validation or lack thereof of the method itself. The assumptions made by the method during the testing procedure. And the uncertainty in the qualitative result in terms of the quantitative measure as well of the uncertainty measurement in terms of that particular test. The importance of sampling versus sample selection. All of these and more, it is suggested, should be the minimum themes that one uses in crossing any proffered expert. Follow ISO 17025, you may be able to produce some truly Perry Mason moments in the courtroom.